So we're simulating a shingle repair for checking repairability for shingle replacement. So we're going to simulate removal of this shingle here. We're going to lift the one above to access the nail heads. They should allow for adequate access to the nail heads. Good for any torn crease or missing spots.